Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here we come at 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Look. Bye. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Why not? Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. My name is Shomari Clarke. You're now about to witness the greatest show on earth. Bye. The greatest show in the multiverse. Bye. Yes, you are. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great one for you today. All right. Great one for y'all today. Fuels markets. Yeesh. I know. Yeah, that was every market. Stock markets, bond markets. It was all a down day across the board. So it wasn't just crypto. It was everybody. Yeah, it was just a bloodbath across the board. So settle down. Not like a bloodbath, but a down day. That's for sure. All right, but let's get to the stories. Ooh, let's get this out of my lips right here. All up right of my lips. Look, so Stellar invests in Wyre. A little more moving money around. Stellar. Going to talk about that when we get there. And then here is a onboarding for TomoChain. Hold on. TomoChain onboards LUASwap. We're going to talk about that. And then a Bitcoin fund in Toronto is going to be listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Both for institutional investors and the mom and pop. Yes. So we're going to check that out. So look, let's begin how we begin with a little bit of buy. Whoops. Buy. There we go. I was going to bang around with a buy. There we go. Are we here? All right. Just had to make sure I pressed the right button there. All right. Look what we're working with. Fuck it. Let's do a refresh. All right. Bitcoin, $31,246. Yeah, it went all the way down to 29 grand today, didn't it? At some point there. All right. So when I left you yesterday, we were at $32,141. So we have gone down 900. Wait. $995 down today. Well, all right, that's how it goes sometimes. You know how that Bitcoin be. You know how they do. You know how they get down. Look, let me get a sip. Top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the whole market's down, so obviously I shouldn't have to mention to you, my subscribers, but just in case you're new around here, don't cry about this. These are called sales. This is how you get that coin you wanted last week a little cheaper than it was, wasn't it? Right? It's a little cheaper today than it was last week, wasn't it? Yeah, that's called a sale. All right? So you go get yourself some daggone crypto. Cheer yourself up. All right. Top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. Look, usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Polkadot, XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Binance Coin. That's a good market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. These are called sales, folks. I know, you new people, you probably don't get it. Just believe me. There's a little saying, BTDI. Buy the dip, idiot. Well, when it goes down, that's called the dip. Okay, that's called the dip. So you buy this. So when the next influx of money comes, well, you're riding ready, right? You don't buy the high because then it dips. And then you're like, oh, fuck, I'm down. You buy the dip. So when the next flings off again, all right, well, you're just instantly in the money. You know what I mean? You're in there already. All right, look, single digits up, single digits down. That's how it works. That's how it works, folks. BTDI. If you don't believe me, Google that. You'll see. Actually, it's really BTDF, buy the dip fucker. But I just say buy the dip idiot because it's a little less mean. Yeah, a little less mean. All right, let's go. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, hey, again, really? Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Sickle this up, sickle this down. Look at Elrond. That's 12 points up. Everything else, though, sickle this up, sickle this down, sickle this up, sickle. All right. All right, sickle this up, sickle this down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it, because it is on sale. Let's see what we got. Bang! A couple sales right here. Matic Network. One of you brothers who texted me, I think when we get to the shout-outs part, it's gonna show up. All right. Sorry about that. Top 10 loser of the day. Matic Network, Engine Coin, Theta, Stacks, Zcash, NEM, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, Waves, and SushiSwap. Let's look at who made money today. Whoa. A little too much weed earlier. Clear these lungs out a little bit. All right, top 10 gainers. Phantom, Dogecoin, TomoChain, 1 inch, Elrond, Basic Attention Token, Tezos, Decred, Uniswap, and Swissborg. Let's see what the total market cap of the day is, brothers and sisters. Hey, still under $1 trillion. All right, we're flirting with it, though. Still up here. Flirting. 928. Is that right? $0.4 billion. $928.4 billion is our total market cap. And when I left yesterday, we were at $946.2 billion. So we've gone down 28. Let's just call that $28 billion. Is that right? No, that's not right. Oh, $16 billion. $16 billion. There we go. All right. Let's look at the 24-hour volume. It's pretty good volume right there, though. $189.7 billion in volume. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $127.9 billion in volume. So we've gone up. 62 billion dollars. All right. Back. Let's get to the stories. Yes. Let's get to the stories. All right. Bang. Stellar Development Foundation invests $5 million in blockchain payments firm Wyre. So it's more an investment thing. So this isn't really an onboarding because actually Stellar is paying money. They've invested the money. But just because I'm talking about this, just because oh my goodness. I'm beginning to realize stable coins and CBDCs are going to be a major thing going forward. Like I used to tell you guys back in 2018, yeah, stable coins, man, fuck that shit. In 2019, fuck that shit. Or well, they came out in 2019, fuck that shit. Nah, dog, don't fuck that shit. I was wrong. It's going to be mega. They're going to be mega. And I think stable coins are going to be used a lot between business to business. Instant settlement, blah, blah, blah. And I think the CBDCs will be used between governments. You'll buy an American bond, but it'll be really a American bonds, built out of American CBDCs, all right, or something. We'll see. So it's an important thing, and so as you all know, Stellar allows you to move any digital asset across its platform, right? This was what Ripple was supposed to be. The guy who founded Stellar, his name is Jed McCaleb, he was part of the team that built XRP. And he wanted XRP to be this, like have a full blockchain where they move a lot of tokens around on it and all this. Well, actually, any digital asset you can move on it. And the Ripple guys, they just wanted their little XRP coin thing. Now they're trying to catch up, but too late. Now you're under SEC indictment, fuckstick. So I shouldn't have fucked around. But this is what Ripple is actually supposed to be. And, you can move anything on it. You can move NFTs, non-fungible tokens on it. You can move, just any kind of coin on it, right? Like any digital asset, so store of value. How I like to look at it. These digital assets are stores of value, and so coming forward, stable coins, I think, are going to be major. Like I said, I used to think they were kind of a joke. I was like, why would you build a coin that's just going to be like a regular dollar? Ah, well, now my mind is starting to get it. Maybe companies, corporations would like to use stable coins to interact with each other in that, instant transfers. You don't have to go through the banking system. Stuff like that. Like whatever. I don't know the full ramifications, but I'm just beginning to see the possibilities, right? And why make people, the governments are making such a big deal about them, right? Because it sounds like they're going to be a major thing. All right, and so this thing, and so what do you mean, Shomari? What does that have to do with this fucking story here? All right, brother, settle down. Yeah, I know. What it has to do with this particular story here is that this Wyre thing moves around those stable coins. All right. And they're going to use the Stellar blockchain to do it. All right. So I'm going to sip, and we shall proceed. Yeah, man, I thought that stablecoin thing was so stupid when it first came out. I was like, what are these retards doing? Like the Tether thing, it was like, all right, well, that was already there. And plus, so you could trade with other stuff. But then they came out with all these other ones. So it's like, what the fuck? But nah, dog, I think they're going to be used. Well, not I think, I know. We read that European Union thing where they're gearing up to have their whole pretty much financial system geared and ready to use them by 2024, they said, right? So I mean, I personally think banks are probably going to make them and theirs will be used, but we'll see. All right. So look, the Stellar Development Foundation has made its first investment in 2021, investing $5 million in cryptocurrency payments company Wyre. The foundation believes the investment will provide a wide variety of payment application programming interfaces, APIs, to fintech applications on the Stellar blockchain network. Wyre is a natural fit. So in its press release announcing the investment, the foundation described that bringing Wyre to the Stellar ecosystem will create key payment infrastructure for companies operating on the network. It will also enable relationships connecting international financial systems, the foundation stated. Danelle Dixon, the SDF CEO and executive director, joins Wyre's board as part of the investment deal. Commenting on the investment, she stated, growing the network of Stellar anchors, stablecoins, issuers, and on-off ramps is fundamental to how Stellar connects global financial systems with blockchain technology. You see, and that's what Stellar is sneakily good. Let's see how big it gets, but exactly, that's the whole thing, right? If you just connect up with Stellar, well, you can move any digital asset you want, right, on it to wherever you want, whoever you want, right? Easily and efficiently. All right, bringing Wyre's industry-leading payment APIs to the ecosystem, to the Stellar ecosystem, will empower businesses, especially anchors, to expand existing payment corridors and develop new ones. All right, so this thing about anchors, I don't know what anchors are, but supposedly they're big guys in the Stellar ecosystem. Yanni Giannaros, the Wyre CEO and founder, welcomed Dixon to the board. He believes that her operational excellence and wealth of knowledge will be invaluable to the company. So the investment is the first the foundation has made in 2021 through its enterprise fund. Since its establishment, it has invested $14.27 million. Other firms the SDF has invested in include cryptocurrency wallet and exchange firm Abra and Settle, a digital asset settlement network across the Latin American region. So, USDC integration. The investment's most immediate impact will be through the integration of USDC stablecoin. As Crypto News Flash reported, the SDF will launch the stablecoin on the Stellar network in Q1 this year. Bang! The integration is expected to allow Stellar users to connect to the global financial infrastructure. USDC is the second largest stablecoin globally, with a $5.4 billion market capitalization. Wyre will give Stellar apps a compliant and reliable way to integrate Stellar USDC without the need for additional coding. Okay. It will start off by enabling USDC on and off ramps in the existing fiat pairs of the pound, British pound, US dollar, Australian dollar, euro, and the Canadian dollar. Okay. So Wyre will also avail savings products and on-off ramps to incentivize deposits and lending of Stellar assets. Giancarlo remarked, we're focused on making money transfers easy, cost-effective, and truly borderless. So working with the Stellar Development Foundation is a perfect fit. Building the world's most robust, innovative, and inclusive financial system is a shared objective. The Wyre integration is a big move for the foundation and the Stellar ecosystem. The company has grown since its founding in 2013 to become one of the most significant blockchain payments companies globally. It connects fiat rails to blockchain ecosystems and has processed over $5 billion in cryptocurrency payments. It processes payments for over 500 applications globally. Bang! So, nice. Good stuff. So when you went in, so you see Stellar, we've been reading about Stellar lately a lot, haven't we? We read the odd between 2019 and 20, we read the odd one. But starting in about, end of Q3 last year till now, we've read a bunch. And Stellar's really starting to make their moves now. The Akon City is going to be on it. We read about that one company that has the 3 African countries doing remittances. We read about the other thing, just yesterday? Or was it the day before? Right? Hold on, let me look. Oh, on Saturday, right? Yeah, Parahub in Singapore and the Philippines with over 30,000 locations, right? So that's fucking remittance. That's fucking remittance, motherfucker. So, as compared to Ripple's thing, which is just a coin that you have to hope that exchanges move the money around to the proper place. This is the blockchain, or the blockchain is the payment settlement system. Right? I never really caught that fully until lately when I begun to learn a little bit more of the vision and the implementation of Stellar. Like, if you're a bank, you're on the Stellar network, but so is the bank you want to send the money to. Yeah, so you just send it direct, right? Whereas Ripple wanted banks to send money to an exchange, trade the fiat for XRP, get those XRP sent to another exchange, and then they get changed to the fiat and then sent to the bank. Yeah, but banks don't want to give up their customers' info and all this there's so many things wrong with that whole idea. Yeah, but if you're on the Stellar network, well, I'm a bank, I could just send you whatever I want. Or a business, and that's the other thing, businesses, right? If my business is using the Stellar blockchain, well, I can just make payments directly to you, like right now, right? Instantly, here. We want to buy, if I'm, Ford, and I want to buy 100 engines from some company that makes engines, all right, well, here. Just pay from now. And so, but we're on the same network. And so we'll see about all that. That seems to be the vision. Of course, most companies, we'll see how that goes. So, awesome. All right, let's get to the next story. Bang! Multi-chain AMM-based LUASwap, Lua, launches on TomoChain. So this is a TomoChain onboarding. LUASwap was introduced on Ethereum last year. However, with its launch on TomoChain, it will become a multi-chain protocol on a low-cost public chain. Bang! All right, let's check it out. So LUASwap, The multi-chain protocol governed by the community launched on TomoChain. Launched on TomoChain today. With its implementation on TomoChain, the swap between Tomo and other TRC-based tokens will be possible. Effectively, users can use LUASwap directly to swap tokens on TomoChain or Ethereum networks. The focus of LUASwap protocol is to support smaller liquidity pools of emerging tokens. Leading swap protocols like Uniswap and SushiSwap inspire the LUASwap design. All right. However, the tokenomics and operations strategy has been designed to perform better than the existing swap protocols. Wow, different than. What will LUASwap enable on the TomoChain network? All right, let's see. What is this thing going to do? What's this thing all about? So according to Long Vuong, TomoChain founder and CEO, Ethereum-based AMMs users face lots of challenges. The launch of LUASwap protocol and TomoChain promises to fix those challenges. However, as Ethereum is a very important platform, cross-chain interoperability is an important part of TomoChain ecosystem. Here's what LUASwap will enable on TomoChain. Near zero. Okay, so we're not going to read every fucking word. Let's just go. Near zero gas fees, no network congestion, Ethereum interoperability, no high gas fees. Didn't you just say that up there? Oh, near zero gas fees, no high gas fees. All right, whatever. Passive income, intensive development phase, TomoChain's DeFi game, and TomoChain DeFi game. All right, so there you go, man. That's enough. That's enough. We're not going to read each one of those. You guys get it. So they're saying it's going to be bigger and better, and it's going to be nice. All right. Good. Let's go for it. Bye. Let's get out of there. Actually, I didn't read that one. Canadian fund manager launches $180 million Bitcoin fund on Toronto Stock Exchange. Now. Yes. All right. So you've got another Bitcoin fund. Toronto Stock Exchange. So this is an interesting little fund. They've got different shares in it. Some of the shares are for private individuals only. I guess big money guys, kind of insiders. But then some of them are going to be on the exchange itself. And meaning the Canadian version of, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab trade, and all that. That'll give soccer mom and dad the ability to buy into these. Sort of ETF-ish in a way, right? Let's see. Let's check it out. Is that the right fund? Yeah, it is the right fund. All right. Because I read about another fund today, so I had to make sure I wasn't describing to you another fund that I read. All right, look, let me get a sip and then we'll go on. So, but anyways, let's go back to that though. So yeah, so you see around the world now, funds are coming out. Banks are custodying. We're getting a regulated market growing slowly, but growing, right? And well, that's what we need. That's what we want. That's what has to go down, right? And anyway, so just awesome news. All right. But that's also what we want to see, like more investment vehicles, I guess is the point I was trying to make. Right? Like in Switzerland, we've been reading about all those ETPs that are getting listed on the 6 stock exchange over there. All right, well, we need them on more. All right, we need them to be listed and advertised to the average consumer and the institutional investor, obviously, around the world. And so, that's why we follow everything around the world. All right, that's what we do on this channel because it's a global market. It's global. You can buy Bitcoin anywhere. All right, look. 9 Point Partners, a Canadian fund manager, has announced that it has completed the initial public offering for its Bitcoin fund. Bang! The firm noted in a press release that it raised $180 million as gross profit from the fund's sale to private investors. which was sold under three distinct categories. So Class A, Class F, and Class S units. So this fund has three different types of, investment levels. Like in the stock market, you have Class A shares, Class B shares, blah, 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 same shit. According to the announcement, a total of 7,318,000 and change units were issued for Class A, while 2 million and change and 700 and change were issued for Class F and Class S, respectively. Regardless of the class, 9 Point sold each unit for $10. So, when you bought the A, the F, the S shares, you paid $10 each. Notably, 9 Point added that it had listed its Class A shares on the Toronto Stock Exchange after receiving regulatory clearance from the Ontario Securities Commission earlier this month. So the Class A shares are actually being traded on the exchange. That's why I said this is sort of ETF-ish in that, well, it's a fucking fund. Well, not ish. I should maybe even correct my dumbass self and just say, this is an ETF. It's a fucking fund. It's a flipping fund. Hold on. It's a Bitcoin fund. Settle down, Shomari. Settle down. It's a Bitcoin fund. Look. And it's traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Meaning, if it's traded and it's a fund, well, that's an exchange-traded fund, an ETF, right? That's an ETF. It's a fund and it's traded, right? All right, so the Class A shares, these shares, the 7 million of them, of the Class A's, those are what's on the stock exchange. These other ones, no. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to bring that up, So I'm basically showing you of a Bitcoin ETF, but not just an ETF, because it's also got that private component where those other stocks, the F and the S, aren't, or shares aren't traded. All right, so let's just move on, though. So the Class A shares will commence trading in both the United States dollar and the Canadian dollar under the ticker BITCU and BITCUN, respectively. 9 Point is hoping to break into the Canadian market by offering an annual management fee of 0.7% of the fund's net asset value. So cheap, right? This is if you're a big time guy and you really want in, well, you can get in, and it's cheap for the management fees. The management fees are cheap, right? 0.7%. James Fox, co-CEO and managing partner of 9 Point, said, "We believe our institutional quality, trust structure, and the lower management fees, the cheap price, of any listed Bitcoin investment fund in Canada will be a winning combination for continued investor interest." Bang! So although this is not the first time a firm will launch a Bitcoin fund in Canada, this happened to be the largest of its kind to go live in the country. We read about that other one last year. Oh, here's one right here, I guess they're talking about. Oh, this is the one we read about, yeah. So last year, Coinformania reported that Canadian investment firm fund manager 3IQ listed its Bitcoin fund on the Toronto Stock Exchange after raising $48 million from investors. Like 3IQ, 9 Point has selected Gemini crypto exchange to provide custody for the fund. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission's stringent regulation that has resulted in its refusal to approve a Bitcoin ETF has prompted firms to launch a different model in another location. So I don't know what that really meant, but I think that what they're saying, that was regulatory arbitrage. These guys were going to try to launch an ETF here in America, but said, fuck it. Because as we've been reading, the Securities and Exchange Commission has just had stringent regulation, has denied every ETF that's been applied for. And, people aren't going to wait around. They want to make their money, right? And so, screw it, dogs. Let's head up to Canada. Let's create a fund and let's make that money, right? If America wakes up, well, we'll launch that thing down there too. So, all right, so that's it. Well, I guess it's also this last sentence here. Thanks to Grayscale, firms have now gotten the idea of creating a Bitcoin trust dedicated to purchasing the asset and selling shares of that trust for a profit. Yeah, so. All right, so bang, there we go. New fund, Bitcoin fund on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It's really a fund. It really just sounds like a trust, but they've, and they're selling different shares in it. And they're throwing the A shares on the Toronto Stock Exchange, which makes it effectively what? An ETF. All right, so bang, new ETF. All right, let's move on. Boom. Let's see what we got here. Chief Vizo and the Pasquayaki tribe. Look. VeChain masters, VeChain holders, VeChain killers. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bye. Oh, a new follower. Daniel. All right, Daniel. Welcome, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. What do we got here? Oh, just like the tweet? Anyway, let's read this shit anyway. I am accepted by God through the death and resurrection of his beloved Son. I exist to know Jesus Christ and make him known. Oh, sure. That's right. Bang! There, brother. Sloppy. Wow. What's he talking about? Coinbase custody now supports Phantom. Oh, you guys were talking about that Phantom thing in the chat today. Coinbase custody is the world's most trusted custodian. Excited for Phantom's first step in the U.S. market. All right, well, Phantom, great. And Sloppy, love you, brother, see you, brother. Bang, holding down the North. Insurgency. Gotta have holders, downers of insurgencies. All right, what do we got here? A new follower. Prona. Chodre. Simple yet complicated. All right, that's how life tends to be. Well, I don't know if you're a brother or sister, but love you guys. See you guys. Love you person. See you person. Bang. What do you got, Kong? Wow. Yes. Love you, but see you, brother. Bang. What are you talking about, Kong? VeChain fuck sticks. Look. You tell them, Kong. You tell those fuckers. Tell them about that daggone VeChain. Look. When your VeChain goes to $1, bang. That's what your portfolio is going to look like. But for today, we got Stellar invests in Wyre. Look for Stellar hodlers. Boom. TomoChain onboards LUASwap. Boom. And a new Bitcoin fund in the Toronto Stock Exchange, which is basically an ETF. Boom. All right. Whoops. Bah. Let's move on. What do we got here? What do we have? What do we got? Andrew Racheda. Lerbert Seabrother. Bye. Robbie Hardaway. Lerbert Seabrother. Bye. Radster 1975. Oh, he changed his picture. Lerbert Seabrother. Bye. Technically bullish. With a VeChain. Lerbert Seabrother. Bye. Biniam. Lerbert Seabrother. Connecting the dots. Look. Bang. Sunny B. Spy Lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. DJ Pollywood. Oh, you changed his shit? What's his shit about? That's too small. I can't see it. I'll have to look at it later. All right. Lerbert Seabrother. Bang. Deep Entertainment. So. Yes. Lerbert Seabrother. Bang. The Crypto Rocketeer. All right. Crypto trader, entrepreneur, investor. Hodl. Yes. All right. Oh, and you got the big V. Yeah, you daggone right. You better hodl. Hodl to $1, brother. Love the Sea Brother. Bang. At least. Abundantly me. Love the Sea Brother. Say hello to the child. Bang. All right. That's everybody right there. Oh, there's Brawley's. Still didn't send me a daggone umbrella. Fuck. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bang. Right. All right, that's everybody. Yeah, these people just like tweets I was mentioned in. I don't know them. Look, let's get out of here. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Yes, welcome back to the Death Star. All right, so nice quick show, I think. What are we at here? Oh, yeah, only 34 minutes. Nice. It's a quickie. Not too much yap. So Stellar invests in Wyre. So, like I said, they're building out their ecosystem, and you know, you know, I'm convinced now that this stablecoin thing is going to be mega. And yeah, while you want to move stablecoins around, something like Stellar is perfect. You can move whatever you want on it. You can move whatever you want. You want to move stablecoin, you want to move Bitcoin, you want to move whatever you want. And so I could see banks and corporations just signing up to use it, saying, yeah, I want to move digital assets and receive digital assets. And well, if you've got this thing that'll let me send and receive them, great. And so Stellar. And so yeah, I mean, holy, what's my head? It's like a little foggy right now or something. I gotta drink, get my brain right or something here. I'm just sort of trailing off. But great for Stellar, obviously great for Wyre. They're going to have the different currency pairs, so it looks like it's going to kind of roll out in a few countries. And it's business to business, it looks like. It's not like a thing for consumers. It looked like a thing for businesses, and that's what I mean. Like, I think I could see stablecoins being used by businesses. That's what I never really thought of it before when I used to tell you guys, oh, the stablecoin thing's a bunch of bullshit. Because I was thinking more of just the consumer. Why would a consumer buy a stablecoin? But as a business, why would I have stablecoins? Well, they're the same as the dollar of my country. And if I can just transfer it instantly with the press of a mouse, why not, right? You know? I'm talking directly to the guy on the other end, right? Whereas with the bank, well, I'm not going to diss the banking thing, because I mean, it's trusted and it's been used for hundreds of years. So, but we'll see how it works. All right, let's move on. That's a lot of yap. TomoChain onboards LUASwap. So, what was that LUASwap thing? Hold on. What was that? I forget what that even fucking was. Oh, multi-chain protocol. What? Oh, swap tokens around, dude. Token shit. Well, anyways, man, who knows what it does? I guess it's swapping tokens around, right? Or something. But that's what you could do now on TomoChain. It's cheap, right? That's what the guy said. Like, you could do it in a cheap way. I feel stupid because actually he did say something good. It's not. Hold on. Let me just look. Let me look so I can say this properly. I don't want to. Right. Oh, cross-chain interoperability with Ethereum. Near zero gas fees. No network congestion. With a throughput of 2,000 transactions per second. Ethereum operability. You can earn some passive income with it. All right, there we go. There's a little bit more detail. So, great for Tom. I just viewed it as TomoChain onboarded this thing, LUASwap, and bang. All right, then, finally. Yes. Let's talk about the money. A Bitcoin fund on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And so, it's basically a Bitcoin ETF. Wait a minute. Why is my... All right. Wait. All right. Fuck it. All right. Sorry. So it's a Bitcoin ETF on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So what's good about this is there's the three types of shares. There's the type A, the type F, and the type S. The F and S are privately hodled, So I'm assuming big money behind the scenes type guys. And then the A funds are being, not funds, but the A shares are being traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So that means, soccer mom and dad can get them on their E-Trade accounts and whatnot. And so slowly, and that's what I want to see. Like, I want to see that's what we need. Obviously, we want the institutional money. Bang, we want our fucking tsunami. That's what we're really waiting for. But we want as well ease of use for soccer mom and dad to come and invest in this space. Ease of use. And this provides such an investment vehicle. Ease of use. No cutting and pasting. No KYC and all this. You open your E-Trade account. It's right there. Just press in how much you want. Press enter. You got it. And so that's what we want to see around the world. Everywhere in the world. Especially you, China and India. I'm looking at you, fuck sticks. Let's go. But, yeah. Oh, my gosh. That would be killer. That would be killer. I don't know what India's E-Trade thing is like. Or if there is even one for China, but fuck. If their citizens ever get to get their hands on it like that, daggone. They will, don't worry. But that's down the road. That's probably down the road. Anyway, let's not fantasize about stuff. Let's just talk about the reality we exist in right now, which is a brand new fund here on the Toronto Stock Exchange. So the Canadians can come get it. And bang, 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 bang. All right. Good enough. Let's shill it and kill it. Bang! Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You'll get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I love talking money. Bye. I love talking crypto. It's the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I'll see you tomorrow with another fun fact crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So until then, subscribe here. Boom. Press the bell. Also press the thumbs up. I think it's called like and subscribe or something. Press the thumbs up. Wait. All right, let's try this again. Subscribe here. Press the bell. Then watch that video here. Greatest in the multiverse. And I'll see you all tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke. Bang. And I am always on duty. Bang. Watching our money. Yes. See you tomorrow. Over and out.